Hey there, is your remote misbehaving and leaving you frustrated? Well, you're not alone. Many Samsung Smart TV users face this annoyance, but don't worry, in this guide, I'll explain how to fix remote not working on Samsung Smart TV so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows without interruption. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first step in diagnosing a non-responsive remote is checking the batteries. It might sound basic, but weak or dead batteries are the most common reason for a remote to stop working. Remove the battery cover on the remote and replace the old batteries with fresh ones. Make sure they are inserted correctly, observing the polarity indicated inside the battery compartment. After replacing the batteries, test the remote to see if it's. Step 2. Confirm the infrared signal. If the battery swap didn't solve the problem, the next step is to check the infrared signal. Your remote communicates with your TV using infrared signals, so any obstruction can impact its performance. Use your smartphone's camera to check if the IR signal is functioning. Simply point the remote's infrared emitter towards the camera and press any button on the remote. If you see a flashing light through the camera screen, the remote is working properly. If not, there might be an issue with the remote's IR sensor. Step 3. Reset the remote. Sometimes resetting your remote can resolve the issue. To reset, remove the batteries and press and hold any button for 20 seconds to discharge any residual power. Reinsert the batteries and test the remote again. This can help clear any temporary issues that might be affecting the remote's operation. Step 4. Pair the remote again. Samsung Smart TV remotes, especially the smart ones, need to be paired with the TV. If the remote is not responding, it might have lost pairing with your TV. To pair the remote again, point it at the TV and press and hold the return and play pause buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Step 5. Clear any blockages. Ensure there are no obstacles blocking the path between your remote and the TV. Large objects or furniture can interfere with the IR signal. Position the TV and your sitting area in a way that offers a clear line of sight from the remote to the TV sensor. Step 6. Update your TV's software. An outdated software version can also lead to remote issues. Make sure your Samsung Smart TV is running the latest software version. Go to the TV's settings menu, navigate to Support or About, and select Software Update. If an update is available, follow the prompts to complete it. Step 7. Try an alternative remote. If you've tried everything and your remote still isn't working, consider using a universal remote or a smartphone app. Samsung's SmartThings app allows you to control your TV from your phone. Simply download the app, connect it to your TV, and you should be able to manage all the basic functions easily. Fixing a remote that isn't working with your Samsung Smart TV doesn't have to be an insurmountable challenge. From replacing batteries and confirming the IR signal to resetting and updating your TV, these steps should help you identify and resolve the issue. If after these steps your remote remains non-functional, it might be time to contact Samsung support or consider investing in a new remote. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, and these quick fixes will have you back in control in no time. Happy watching.